Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Technomaths. So today we'll be taking a question from light, where the question is like that. Let me explain it. Yeah, I think it's better visible now, right? So the question is that a plane mirror is given to you, which is placed 22.5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay. So first of all, a concave mirror is given to you. Okay. This is the concave mirror, right? So if this is the mirror, the back side of this, the bulgy portion will be polished. Okay. So this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror, right? And a plane mirror is placed just 22.5 centimeter in front of this concave mirror, right? So where is the plane mirror? Plane mirror is nothing but something placed over here. It is just facing the concave mirror, so the polished portion of the plane mirror will be back side, right? This is the plane mirror, right? Now, as per the numerical, it's given that both of these mirrors are placed in front of each other and focal length of this concave mirror is given to you as 10 centimeter, right? The focal length is given to you. Now we need to find where an object can be placed in between the two mirrors, right? So that the first image in both mirrors coincide. So where to place the object? So if this is the principal axis passing across, right? And let us see, let us say that the object is placed something over here. This is the position of the object, right? Now it is being asked that where an object can be placed. That means it is asking for the object distance. So the object is always placed at a distance of u, right? So let us say this is u. Fine. Now the distance between the plane mirror and concave mirror is given to you as 22.5. So this distance is given to you as 22.5, right? That means the distance between the concave mirror and the plane mirror, right? Now the question is that we need to find the value of this u, where the object to be placed. What is the value of u, where the object to be placed between the mirrors, so that the first image of both the mirrors will coincide, right? So students, if this object is placed at a distance, let's say if u is the object distance from concave, then this distance, that means the distance between the object and the plane mirror will be how much? It will be 22.5 minus u, isn't it? 22.5 minus u. Any doubt in it? You can ask, right? If this is 22.5 minus u, then definitely for a plane mirror, the image will be formed just at the same distance at what distance the object is placed. If the object is placed at 22.5 minus u, then the image will also be formed, let's say at this point, at a distance of same distance, that is 22.5 minus u, isn't it? Tell me, right? So this is the image. This is the image. This is the image, right? Now, if this mirror, the concave mirror, let's say if it is M1 and the plane mirror is M2, so I'm just marking the name M1, M2. So in this case, if O is the position of the object, the image formed by the plane mirror, this one, is here. That is, it will be just same into the same shape, and but it's virtual. So to the M2, the second mirror will be forming the image. Let's say this is I2, right? From M2, I2 is formed, right? Now since the concave mirror is M1, right? Then it's what should be formed? It will form real and inverted image. This concave mirror will form real and inverted image. So real and inverted image will be formed at a distance, at the same distance. So let's say this is the position of the inverted image, right? And the position of the inverted image is this one, I1. Why mentioning I1? This inverted image is formed by M1, right? So I am marking it. I1 is the nature of this image is real and inverted, isn't it? Because this I1 is formed by, tell me, this concave mirror, right? This is formed by concave mirror, that is M1, right? So that's why the nature of this image is real and inverted, which I am showing it over here, this one. But the position of both I1 and I2 are same. The position of both I1 and I2 are same. Now we need to find the object distance u. So students, in this case, we can say that if you consider this concave mirror, then I1 is the image distance. So this image distance will be V, will be represented by V, isn't it? If this is V, then we can say that this entire V can be this V, this one, I'm saying this is V, right? This V is equal to, that is, the image distance is equal to this object distance U plus 22.5 minus U, this one, that is the object as placed in front of the plane mirror, and plus 22.5 minus U, this one. So these three sections will be added, this U this 22.5 minus u, and this 22.5 minus u, and all this will add to form this v, right? So again I am writing 22.5 minus u plus 22.5 minus u. Why two times? Because one is this one, another is this one, and plus u. All this 1, 2, 3 will add up and give you this v, right? This is the same distance, you can see. Now this will give you a relation between v and u. So from here you can see v equal to one of the u will be cancelled with this u, right? And we have 22.5 plus 22.5, that is 45, minus u. So this is the relation which we have between v and u. V equal to 45 minus u, right? Now we know that 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, right? You know that 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, right? And we know the value of f as 1 by 10. So put it 1 by 10, and this will be one in place of 1 by v, just put 45 minus u, and in place of this u leave it as it is. Just solve it, then you will get the value of u. During the solving, what we will do, 45 minus u into u will be going to the LHS, and into the RHS. I am just changing my pen. 45 minus u into the LHS, and into the RHS we have 10 into u plus 45 minus u. So here u and u will be cancelled, and we have 45u minus u square is equal to 450. So this will give you u square minus 45u plus 450 is equal to 0. And when you solve it, 15, 30 and 15, just split the middle term. It will be u square minus 30u minus 15u. Solve this quadratic, plus 450 equal to 0. This will give u minus 30 and u minus 15, right? So the admissible distance of u, that is the object distance we are getting from here, is u equal to 30, or from this u equal to 15. So this would be the distance 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter when the object is to be placed, that is at 30 or 15 centimeter. Then at this distance, the image formed by the plane mirror and the concave mirror will coincide. That will coincide, right? So thank you so much for watching, students. Take care. Happy learning. Bye bye.